Oil change time. Yeah. Cruising in the K-Truck, chasing down its first issue of no brake lights. And we suspect it's the brake light switch. It looked pretty bad inside. We didn't really test it or anything, but I ordered a new one from O'Reilly's, so we'll have to try it tomorrow. So hopefully we can get that issue resolved. Just cruising. So we took the bulbs out, the dual filament bulbs, and one of the filaments is broke. Both bulbs are bad. Try to fix this wobbly post. Some sound deadening in while we got the headliner off. Big difference. Way quieter. Sorry. It's so quiet. Going 70 kilometers. It's so quiet. All the sound deadening.